192.168.203.1 Login. Accessing the router web interface is easy, and here is how you can log into the Fritzbox router web interface through 192.168.178.1. Connect to the router by using an Ethernet cable or by connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Once your device is connected to the router, open a web browser on your PC. Open a new tab and in the URL bar, type http://192.168.178.1 or 192.168.178.1 and press Enter. You will be taken to the login page of the router web interface. Here you will have to enter the login password to access the router web interface. By default, most routers' username is admin and the password admin. You can find the login password on the back label of the router. Enter the login credentials and click on Login. If the login credentials are correct, then you will be logged into the router web interface and make the required changes to the settings. How to change wireless network SSID and password. Log into the router's web interface through 192.168.178.1 using the method mentioned above. Once logged in, click on WLAN from the left column. Now, select Radio Network. In the name of the wireless radio network SSID field, enter the new SSID for your wireless network. Click on Apply to save the changes. To change the password, select Security from the left column. In the Network Key field, enter the new password for your wireless network. Now, click on Apply to save the changes.